Hey there, I'm Zack, and my Fast Track Fact this time explains a new system feature, sales forecasting. Let's take a look. Our system has always had great options for dialing in your order algorithm. This will ensure super accurate orders. But if you use one of the day-based options, like days in inventory or hybrid, we just made it more accurate. There is now an option to use BI or business intelligence to evaluate sales when creating the order. We spent the past months running thousands of models against it. This has trained it to ensure everything is fine-tuned to be as accurate as possible in its predictions. When looking at sales, it will disregard days when you are out of stock of the item. It also takes into account anomalies when edge cases happen. This would be like a day with a crazy amount of sales. These scenarios would normally disrupt the average sales per day calculation, but when used BI forecasting to order it, it's going to handle these by disregarding that day entirely or assigning those sales more or less weight when it calculates the value in the algorithm. This feature is available when choosing your order method and is named BI Forecasted Inventory. I recommend trying it side by side with your current order method, and you can see the difference. In addition to being used in ordering, you can also view any item's BI predicted sales forecast. To do this, from item details, in the sales statistics section, click the View Forecast button. This is going to bring up a chart showing the forecast of that item, and if it has a parent or child, it's going to show that as well. You'll see the next 7, 14, and 30 days forecasted out. So that's it for this session. Thanks for being here. Now head over to Control Center and get to forecasting.